Hey guys, welcome back to another OMG reaction. My name is Chris, and this video I will be reacting to another DPR and double reaction. I will be reacting to his No Blueberries as well as Scaredy Cat. This is going to probably be a long one, and it'll be added to the DPR Ian playlist as well. I did ask you guys on the last video if for that video that was the last one in kind of the saga or the lore, but I heard there were some more that I missed, of course. So I'm going to do these two, and then after that I think there's one more that I'm missing, but I'll have to kind of look in the archives and find that one, and then there'll be a reaction for that. Other than that though, I will stop rambling and we can get into the reaction. Boop. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can see more of my face.
What's wrong with it? Why do you keep doing this? What? Stop. Thank you.
No blueberries.
I like no blueberries in my ice cream cake. No air to breathe without masking tape. Stop please. I need a hostage free. I need a rocket ship. I need to run from it. I like no blueberries in my ice cream cake. No air to breathe without masking tape.
Stop please. I need a hostage free. I need a rocket ship. I need to run from
you.
I'm just kinda lost. Looking down a lot from you. I'm falling way too soft from you. Now tell me when to stop.
Oh no, here we go again to this beat. Oh oh, tell me why you wanna be so sweet.
Tell me what's in your eyes, baby.
Red, green, or blue.
Welcome to the other side.
I keep losing my temper for you. I love it how you think I'm always this cool. Excusing me while I think I'm just a
Tell me
fool.
what's in your eyes, baby.
Red, green, or blue.
Welcome to the other side.
I like no blueberries in my ice cream cake. No air to breathe without masking tape.
Stop please. I need a hostage free. I need a rocket ship. I need to run from
you.
I'm just kinda lost
From you.
I've been looking down a lot
From you.
I'm falling way too soft
From you.
Now tell me when to stop.
Your motto, pass me the tea. Good old, don't make me shoot. Scene full of rappers, 전부 다 말없어 비닐 입고. Drop to the floor, 움직여 we blow. 저기서는 stylish, but when you
I'm a vibe, you feeling me, I'm more, yeah, oh she knows it. She's in love with me and that's That's a drug and dangerous doses.
Your poses. Can't see straight, can't focus. Get chills when I see old fish, the coldest.
I like no blueberries in my ice cream cake. No air beat with that masking tape.
I need a hostage free. I need a rocket ship. I need a run from
From
I'm just kinda lost. I'm looking down a lot. I'm falling way too soft. Now tell me when to stop.
So now you're blown on your covers. I got this blue to make you come up. So when you think it's almost over, I got this blue to make you come up. So now you're blown on your covers. I got this blue to make you come up. So when you think it's almost over, I got this blue to make you come up.
Okay. A Blueberry Monster. I know this is part of his whole saga, his whole storyline, but I feel like this was like a lot different than his other videos. I wasn't catching a lot of things that went on the course. Gosh, how am I trying to explain this? I didn't feel like it was just a part of the original storyline, or the storyline that I caught. Like there's this Blueberry Monster here, but I haven't seen it in any of the other videos. DPR Live was in this one, but I haven't seen him in any of the other ones. Are we moving past that too? It's just kind of like just the beginning, and it just trailed off into something else. Song's good. But what else is to be expected from DPR Ian? I don't know if it's him flicking off the blueberries and then all of a sudden he switched. Maybe that's falling in line with the rest of the story. But again, I wasn't catching too much that fell within what I've seen before. It just seems like something kind of like a one-off video. But again, tell me if I'm wrong. It's just kind of, what I've been picking up being kind of new to this DPR or other side cult. But yeah, tell me, let me know what your opinions are in the comments. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the other song, Scaredy Cat.
Discovering the horrific body. 6 years have passed by to justify railroad tracks.
Witnesses say the suspect may be missing an eye.
Here are the picture again.
I think I'm scared of all the signs. Don't ever leave me alone at night. I think I'm scared, I don't know why. Just leave the lights on and close the blinds. Scaredy cat. Please, no more heart attacks. Scaredy cat. Please, no more heart attacks.
This kind of reminded me of that that moment in Mito movie, One Shot, that video where he was getting kidnapped, and this one also had him like kind of tied up like a kidnap kind of thing. I get it, Scaredy Cat, but still, just kind of reminded me of the same thing. This one I actually got more of the, because I was seeing scenes of like Mito, and then the eyes everywhere too. Unrelated, there's a video game that it reminded me of too, Little Nightmares. If you've played it, if you've seen it, then you know what I'm talking about, the eyes. Just felt along with everything else. You know, I could see his progression in his songs as well, from this kind of being more along the beginning, to some of his more recent stuff like Skins and so I Danced, things like that. He's a wonderful musician. I think it's really cool, again, how he can put everything that's in his mind and put it into a video that is different than kind of the norm that we would see. Other than that, I think we're done with the DPR for now, or DPR in for now. Let me know what else you guys would like to see below. Let me know what you guys think of all the reactions so far, and again, how your holiday went, if you're doing anything wonderful for New Year's. And other than that, I love you guys, and I will see you.